Hello, the post has arrived. I bought myself a present. It's cost me £12. The sun is nearly out. It's springtime. I'm in my garden. I've got to be one of the happiest men alive. I'll show you what this is in a moment, but let me tell you, I've already bought 4 of those. I've lost 3 of them. They're around my garden somewhere. But it's worth me buying another one until they turn up. It's a brilliant little tool. Let me get it out of the box. I probably should have one of those strings around my neck so that I don't put things down, or I should have a rule or a strategy so that I always put things down in the same place. But nevertheless, this is brilliant. It's called a lightweight grubbing hoe. You might have seen me using it in the garden because, as I've already said, I've got several of these. And it's a brilliant thing. You can use it for weeding. You can use it for scraping and shoving and levelling. It very easily pulls weeds out. You can make drills for seeds or vegetables. It's £12. It's a brilliant thing. I can go through this bed very, very quickly and remove the weeds. You can see there, they're coming out. This pile of earth here, I can shove it and flatten it. I can break up lumps with it. I'll probably find one in this bed as I'm using this new one. Isn't that marvellous? The lightweight grubbing hoe. It doesn't take a lot to make me happy, but I wouldn't swap that for all the tea in China. I got it off Amazon, and the Amazon link to that is in the description box below this video. And as I've said countless times, if you buy it through my links, I earn a commission. It all goes back into the garden, and I really appreciate your support. I commend it to you. I hope you're going to buy one, and I hope you love it as much as I love mine. I think I might drill a hole through the handle and put a string around my neck so I can wear this as a necklace. That way I won't lose it. I'll see you soon for some more lightweight grubbing hoe adventures. Bye for now.